Here we have a really special video for my YouTube channel. I wanted one of these style phones for a very long time, and for my collection, but I finally found one. Here we have the telecom gold phone from the 1980s. Working order, had to be right with a new line called for my PMG 802. And you won't want this tape on here, hold the cover down. And it does work. Darling tone. $20. Forcing up a dollar in. $1.50. No. Yeah, coins get collected. I'm going to go to my lounge and ring the phone now and come back. It is missing the coin drawer. I do have the coin vault, but it's not in there. Now it's ringing. It didn't ring up when I picked it up, but that's it. That's my telecom gold phone.